where bees is actually now hatched out.
Honeybees, generally known for their sting and for the sweet, thick, golden liquid they make, these tiny creatures play an important role in the environment, responsible for the reproduction of a vast number of floral plants. A love of nature and insects led safari guide Harold Pitos to beekeeping, and through the science of apiculture, he ensures that these remarkable creatures are protected and sustained.
Beekeeping in its essence it's also known as apiculture. It is the keeping of honeybees in man-made structures or in wooden box hives, and farming with them. It's all about protecting them, housing them. It's animal husbandry on an insect which plays an extremely pivotal and vital role in our environment, in our ecosystems, but also in food security and agriculture.
The vital role of bees in the ecosystem lies in their work as pollinators. Bee pollination is essential for the production of many food crops.
In a South African context, honeybees play an extremely important role. They are involved in the pollination of at least 50 food sources in our country. Beekeeping contributes about 10 billion rand towards agricultural output annually. So without honeybees, our crop farmers, from apples in the Cape to macadamias in Mpumalanga, sunflowers in the northwest and in the Free State, those farmers rely heavily on honeybee pollination. First of all for fruit production, but also for seed production. Without that, those farmers cannot produce food.
While bees can be considered the custodians of the environment, beekeepers are their guardians, ensuring the wellness of the overall honeybee population.
So as beekeepers, it's our role, and it's very important that we monitor that. And we monitor that inside our managed hives. And it's in our managed hives that we can see if there's going to be changes or what effects might affect or diseases might affect wild colonies as well. So that role in terms of beekeeping is very, very important, is that we can make sure that we give that information back to the important role players that can help us to control these diseases and so forth. Our bees are resilient, but we still need to make sure that we keep them resilient and we keep the genetic flow of our natural colonies as strong as possible.
Beekeeping is also a significant source of income. Under standard authorized procedures, beekeepers can directly sell the honey they harvest from their bees. They can also sell honey-infused non-food products such as body butters and lip balms.
Beekeeping in itself can help a lot of areas and a lot of unemployed people to become self-sustainable and look after themselves through beekeeping at the end of the day. But it's costly. They need training, they need education, they need equipment, they need hives, they need colonies. And we're going to need their help to be able to do that at the end of the day.
Peter says, in his view, beekeeping in South Africa has been neglected for many years, while other agricultural sectors have been given a lot more attention. But with increased awareness, the sector might get the recognition it deserves. Tsulofelo Sukwena, SABC News, Potchefstroom.